Hello lovely people, welcome to episode 3 of our Dubai trip. Right here we're showing you guys our OOTD as we're going to be riding on ATVs and camels. Of course we had to start the day off with breakfast. I asked our server for some melted chocolate, and once I got done recording my video he was like, you could have just let me know that that's what you were trying to do, because next time I can melt the chocolate a little more for you. But I must say this chocolate did work out great and it was so good. It was delicious on this croissant. We had to go back to the mall to meet our driver for our desert excursion, so we figured we'd just go there a little earlier so we can get in a little more shopping. I ran into Zara to see about getting some cute little outfits or clothes, and so I did pick up this entire outfit. Y'all, I have not worn a skirt in so long. I did find a super cute wallet and Tommy Hilfiger, which I will show you guys on day 4 vlog. If you're looking for a quick meal, check out Circle of Crust. They have some amazing mango mojitos, and for sure, that sandwich was super good. As we were trying to find our driver for the desert excursion, we did come across the skating rink that is in Dubai Mall, and we also passed the waterfall again. Finally, after minutes of searching for our driver and him trying to look for us, we found him. Let's go on the desert safari. This ride was about 45 minutes long, and this is where we'll be able to ride the ATVs, get your scarf. If you want that cute little scarf that you see everybody on YouTube wearing, this is where you're gonna get it. Also too, they do have the option to upgrade, which you will hear him say in the video, if you want to go and ride on the wide field. Feels amazing outside. We outside. It feels amazing. My hair is just blowing. It's only a closure wig, so calm down now. The whole front ain't covered. Calm in. They do provide the option of getting a small or large scarf. I will say that the price difference is only $20. So the small is going to be 30 dirham. The large one is going to be 50 dirham. They have many colors and many options for you to choose from. Even when he's putting it on, you can let him know if you want it covering your mouth, if you don't, if you just want it wrapped around your head a certain way. You can let him to know that as he is putting your scarf on. If you don't even want him to put your scarf on, you don't have to let him either. That's just an option that they do provide. Is no charge for that at all. Okay, I got mine.
You go there? Where is Christian?
I don't know. Where'd she go? Oh, she's right there.
She's making her vlog on the recording. Come here.
Oh, wait. I didn't even know. Excuse me. Sorry.
Which bikes you have booking? Going outside in the open deck. For that one you need to upgrade. I'm telling you now because...
Upgrade what?
You can go to the open desert also with the bikes. Because which one you are booked, you will be staying here inside. So if you want to experience the open desert with the bikes, that one you can do also, but for that one you need to upgrade. That's why I'm telling you now, because once I take the ticket, then I cannot do anything.
So what do you do? Well, how much is the upgrade? Do we need to upgrade?
Like each your bike is 100 dirham, and for outside they are giving it in 300, so I will deduct that 100 dirham. So 200 dirham per bike you will pay more.
Oh no, it's okay. We could just stay inside.
Okay, so we will be here.
Okay. We outside.